So I've been doing some pretty wild things in this demo that I've been working on, and I've really screwed up this session. So I'm going to show you how to undo your edits. The first thing to know about is just the undo key. So this is the same as in any other program you work in. You go up to the top to the edit menu, and the top function there is undo. And the last thing that I did was a duplicate command, and I can do that by hitting Command Z as in Z on a Mac or Control Z on a PC, and that will undo the last action. So that's great, but I've also done a lot of other things to it, and you could keep undoing by hitting Control Z or going back to the edit menu up at the top there. You have up to 64 levels of undo. Some things can't be undone, and those things are deleting tracks, closing your session or quitting Pro Tools, clearing audio from the clips list, and also destructive recording, which is sort of an advanced feature. If I'm trying to undo a command that isn't the last command that I did, I can go to Window and I could go to my undo history, and then it will give me a list of all of the edits that I've created recently. If I have completely screwed things up and I don't even know how many edits I've made, I don't know if any of them are good or useful, I can always use one of my favorite functions, which is called Revert to Saved. So you go to the File menu, you go to Revert to Saved, and then it will just start your session over from the last place you saved it. So let's say I don't even know if I screwed up today. I don't know if I screwed up since I saved it. There's still some fail safes for you. So what we could do is we could just go to our Finder, and don't forget that Pro Tools saves session backups in your session folder. This is at different intervals. The way that I have my computer set up is it's every 5 minutes. I don't know when the last time I saved was, but I want to move back to when I opened the session today. I can just click on this version from my session backups folder, and I could pull it from my archive.